Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. This week was a good run for the PSE index, gaining 4.25% from last November 6th closing. A better run also for the Magical Stocks, gaining 7.78% from November 6th closing. Overall, from our benchmark date of October 15th, PSE index went up by 17.37% while our portfolio went up by 23.79%. Our Magical Stocks are stronger by 6.42%. A good month indeed for both PSE index and our portfolio. Before we proceed with the discussion, if it is possible to get the 30% gain with our first 5 Magical Stocks, and if you are interested in investing using our Magical Stocks or simply like to monitor the effectiveness of our system, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. Let's first check LTG. We bought the stock at 9.96 pesos per share last October 15th, and our 30% marker will be at 12.95 pesos per share. Looking at the monthly trend of the stocks, LTG support is at 11.5 pesos per share and conservative resistance at 18 pesos per share. We plan to sell between 11.5 and 18 pesos per share. We can see that the 12.95 pesos per share is between the historical support and resistance, hence, we can profit more than 30% for LTG. Its current price as of November 13th is at 12.48 pesos per share, nearing our 30% selling price. Please take note that we are following a rule in taking profit to maximize its selling price. If we sell this at 18 pesos per share, it will be a good 80% gain and we will follow taking profit technically. Next, we have DMC. Last October 13th, we bought the stock at 4.19 pesos per share and closed at 5.31 pesos per share on November 13th. We are already gaining 24.93%, inching closer to our 30% marker of 5.45 pesos per share. Again, we will apply our exit during gain strategy here once it touches 5.45 pesos per share. Looking at its monthly trend, we can safely conclude that its support is at 10.0 pesos per share level and resistance at 14.0 pesos per share level. This is to pin it conservatively. This stock has a long way to go and would be great if we sell this at its resistance of 14. This price will earn us 234% of profit. Let's all see its potential in the coming months. Next on the list is MEG. 2.93 pesos per share is the price we went in for MEG last October 15th. MEG closed at 3.5 pesos per share this November 13th. We are gaining 19.1% after a month in the market. We marked the 30% gain at 3.81 pesos per share. Looking at the monthly trend chart, we can see the support at 3.5 pesos per share level, which is concurrently its current price. The resistance that we are seeing is 5.8 pesos per share, which is 98% higher compared with our buying price. More than 30% profit is achievable here. Again, we will sell at our suggested exit during gain. GTCAP is our next profit to check. This stock was bought last October 14th at 405 pesos per share. It closed at 554.0 pesos per share this November 13th. We are gaining 36.39%, suggesting to take profit already. Our eyes are already in the MACD and stochastic oscillator in this stock. Looking at the monthly trend chart, the support can be pegged at 800 pesos per share while resistance is easily marked at 1300 pesos per share. At 405 pesos per share buying, the potential profit can be as high as 220%. We will exit at this stock using our recommended strategy. Exit should be between 800 and 1300 pesos per share, which is above the 30% gain or 526.5 pesos per share that we are projecting. Lastly, we have SECB. We went into SECB last October 14th at 91 pesos per share. It closed this November 13th at 105.5 pesos per share, ticking a 15.59% gain in our Magical Stocks worksheet. 118.3 pesos per share is the price to watch to trigger exit during gain. On the monthly trend chart, we can mark the support at 140 pesos per share and resistance at 240 pesos per share. We can sell between 140 pesos per share to 240 pesos per share, or maximum of 164%. Again, we will apply for the exit, during gain, strategy of ours. To summarize, all magical stocks have a potential to rise more than 30% of our buying price. This will be our minimum selling for each stock as a support, and this is our maximum selling to prove that it is more than the 30% target. Good luck to our magical stocks. Currently, we are gaining around 24% after a month of our magical stocks in the market. Here is our portfolio after 4 weeks of magical stocks trading. All stocks are in double-digit gain. That will be all for this week. Thank you for watching. Quote, "The real key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them." Unquote. Peter Lynch. See you next week. Have a great day ahead.